we are doing the exterior angle property. Before actually understanding what is exterior angle property, let us first understand what is the meaning of exterior angle of a triangle. Meaning of exterior angle of a triangle. So this is a triangle. This is a triangle. Now in this triangle, so let me first just make a triangle ABC. So in this triangle, there are three angles. These three angles, angle A, angle B, and angle C. These are known as interior angles of the triangle. There are three interior angles in a triangle. These are known as interior angles. So first is angle B, angle A. Second is angle B, and the third one is angle C. So these are the three interior angles of a triangle. What is exterior angle? If I make an angle outside the triangle like this, is this an exterior angle? Is this an exterior angle of the triangle? No, this is not an exterior angle. So what is an exterior angle? This angle is not an exterior angle. No. So what is an exterior angle? When an exterior angle is formed, listen very carefully. What is the definition of an exterior angle? If we produce any one side of the triangle, if I suppose produce the side BC, this is side BC. If I produce the side BC of the triangle, suppose if I produce it to point D, then the angle formed between the produced side, angle formed between the produced side of the triangle and the other side on the same vertex, and the other side on the same vertex, that is the side AC. So the angle formed between these two, this angle is known as exterior angle of the triangle. So this is exterior angle. This is an exterior angle. So this is the meaning of exterior angle. You can make this in your copies. Draw this in your copies. This is exterior angle. The heading is exterior angle. Okay. Have you all drawn this? You all are drawing, still drawing. Yeah. So this is exterior angle. Now let us see that how many exterior angles are there in a triangle. So this you have to just make this. Now I'm going to make something more here on the board that you don't have to draw in your copy. So this is only what you have to draw. Now after this, you don't draw anything in your copies. Okay, don't write anything, don't draw anything. Just listen. Now, so this is one of the exterior angles of the triangle. If I produce the side AC like this, if I produce the side AC, don't draw this. If I produce the side AC of the triangle, then there is another exterior angle formed. Now the exterior angle is formed between the side AC produced. Suppose I have produced it to point E. I have produced this, and the angle formed between the side AC produced and the other side of the same vertex BC. The side is BC. So the angle between these two sides, एक साइड को प्रोड्यूस करो और दूसरी वाली साइड के साथ जो एंगल बनेगा, that is known as exterior angle. So this is also an exterior angle. Don't write anything. This is also an exterior angle, but the two angles are equal to each other. These two angles are equal to each other. Why these two angles are equal to each other? The reason is these two are vertically opposite angles. These are vertically opposite angles. So you all remember what are vertically opposite angles? If two lines cross each other like this, then the angles, these two angles are known as vertically opposite angles, and vertically opposite angles are always equal to each other. So similarly here also you can see that two lines are crossing each other. Therefore the two angles are vertically opposite angles. Therefore they will be equal. So we don't count these two angles as two, we count them as one angle. So this is this angle and this angle are same. That is why we cannot count them as two different exterior angles. This is the same angle. So you can produce any one side and get an exterior angle. So on one vertex of the triangle, you have only one exterior angle. So this is the same exterior angle. That is why I have erased this one. Okay. Okay. So these are, there is only one exterior angle on one vertex. What about the other two vertices? Now here on vertex B, if I produce the side AB, if I produce this side, then also another exterior angle is formed. So this and this, now these two are different. So this is the first one and this is the second one. This is an exterior angle, but this is a new one. This is an exterior angle, but it is a new one. So these are two different angles. So we can count them as first and second. This is the second angle. And what about the third one? If I produce the side CA like this, and you get another angle here. So this is your third one. So third exterior angle is this. So in a triangle, there are three exterior angles, 1, 2, and 3. Exterior angle is formed only when one side, any one side of the triangle is produced, then only the triangle, then only the exterior angle is formed. So these are exterior angles. Okay, so now you all have understood what are exterior angles. Now what? Let us do, let us understand what is the property which is related to the exterior angles of a triangle. Let us see what is the property. So all of you write down the heading, exterior angle property of a triangle. Exterior angle property of a triangle. Write down the heading. Exterior angle property of a triangle. This is the heading. Note down the heading. Now we are actually starting the property. What is the property? Till now we have only understood what is the meaning of an exterior angle of a triangle. Now we are going to start what is the property. Let us understand what is the property. Write down the heading first of all. Exterior angle property of a triangle. Okay. So what is exterior angle property? I am going to write down a statement. You have to note down this statement in your copies, everyone. So this statement you will note down in your copies. All of you, be ready. If a side, this is also given in your books. It is given on page number 184. Page number 184. That at the bottom of the page, page number 184. At the bottom of the page, you can see the heading exterior angle property of a triangle. There is a heading exterior angle property of a triangle. Now under this heading, you will see theorem. There is a theorem. So we are writing the statement of this theorem. If a side of a triangle is produced, if a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of is equal to the sum of is equal to the the two sum of the two opposite interior angles. Opposite interior angles. So note down this in your copies. This is the statement of the property. If a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. Also given in the book. Note down in your copies. If a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. Sum of the two opposite interior angles. Okay, so now let us understand what is the meaning of the property. Very important thing, all of you, please pay attention. Let us now understand the meaning of the property. What is the meaning? Okay, I'm erasing this from the board because I don't have much space on the board here. Now, after the statement of the theorem, you will draw this figure in your copies. You all need to draw this figure. I am making the figure. I am drawing it here. You all will also draw this in your copies. A ABC is a triangle and side BC is produced to point D. BC is produced and this is your exterior angle. You all know this now. Let us name angle A as angle 1. This is angle 2. This is angle 3 and this is your angle 4. The exterior angle, I have named the exterior angle as angle 4. Okay, to draw this figure, then we will understand what is the property. First, I'm waiting for you all to draw the figure. Draw the figure, all of you. Draw the figure with the help of a pencil. Okay, use a pencil to draw the figure. Draw the figure, everyone. Okay, now let us understand what is the property. The statement of the theorem says that if a side of a triangle is produced, then an exterior angle is formed. Okay, the exterior angle so formed, this angle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. So in this figure, you can see that there are three interior angles: angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. These three are interior angles. एंगल 4 के रेस्पेक्ट में अगर हम बात करेंगे, if we talk with respect to angle 4, then angle 3 and angle 4 are adjacent angles. Angle 3 क्या है? Angle 4 का adjacent angle है. These are linear pair also, and linear pair are always adjacent. वो दोनों एक दूसरे के बिल्कुल चिपके हुए होते हैं, अगल बगल में होते हैं. So the angles which are at the same vertex are known as adjacent angles. So these two are adjacent angles. So we cannot call them as opposite angles. तो एंगल 4 के साथ में इंटीरियर अपोजिट एंगल्स कौन से हैं? एंगल 3 is not an interior opposite angle with respect to angle 4. Angle 1 and angle 2 are opposite interior angles with respect to angle 4. एंगल 1 और 2 दोनों एंगल 4 के पड़ोसी नहीं है. These are not adjacent angles. Angle 1 and angle 2. So these are opposite interior angles. Angle 1 and angle 2 are opposite interior angles when we talk in respect of angle 4. अगर angle 4 के respect में बात कर रहे हैं तो angle 1 and angle 2 are opposite interior angles. This is clear. Now the property says the exterior angle, that means angle 4, is equal to, this is the main part, the exterior angle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. यानी कि इन दोनों को अगर मैं ऐड करूंगा then I will get exterior angle which is angle 4. So this is the property you all have to note down in your copies. Angle 4 is equals to angle 1 plus angle 2. This is your property. Angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. This is the main thing. Exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Angle 4 is not equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. Angle 4, angle 2 और angle 3 को ऐड करके नहीं मिलेगा. Not correct. But angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Clear? So note down this. This is the exterior angle property. This is what is the meaning of exterior angle property. इसमें खास बात ये है. Now some one or two more things that you need to understand here is that this you all have written. Now some more editing I am going to do in the question. You don't have to write anything now in your copies. I hope you all have written this. Don't write anything now. This is only to make you understand. Okay. I just want to check whether you all have understood or not. So this is just the checking part. Don't write in your copies. This is B. If I produce AB, then you all know now that this is also an exterior angle. This is an exterior angle. Let us name the angle as angle 5. Okay. So in the chat box, you all can tell me that angle 5 is equal to the sum of which two angles? Angle 5 is equal to the sum of which two angles? You can tell me your answers in the chat box. Angle 5 is equal to the sum of which two angles? This is an exterior angle. ये कौन से दो एंगल्स के सम के इक्वल होगा? Tell me the answer in the chat box. No problem if your answer is wrong and you are telling me your answer privately. So no problem in that. I have got one answer. Very good. The answer is correct. Anyone else? Very nice to see one answer. Another answer has come. Very good. Again, correct answer. Anyone else waiting for more answers? Angle 5 is equal to the sum of which two angles? The answer is two of you have given the correct answers. Very good. Angle 5 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 3. Angle 5 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 3 because angle 2 is not an opposite interior angle when we are talking about angle 5. Angle 5 के बगल में है angle 2. So ये adjacent angle है. This is not opposite interior angle. Angle 1 and angle 3 ये दोनों angle 5 के साथ चिपके हुए नहीं है. So angle 1 and angle 3 are opposite interior angles. So if we add these two angles, we will get angle 5. Okay. So let me just check whether you all have understood or not. I am going to give you a small question. This is to be done orally. You don't have to write in your copies. Don't write anything in your copies. So just to check whether you have understood or not. So this is a figure. You have to tell me what is the value of x. ABC is a triangle. This is D. Side BC is produced. I'm telling you that this angle is 70 degrees. This is 45 degrees. What is the measure of angle x? What is the value of angle x? Don't worry, we are doing the property, still doing the property. This is just an example to make you understand exterior angle property again. Okay. So if someone has not understood, don't worry. You can easily understand with the help of this. What is the value of angle x? You can give your answers in the chat box. I have got one answer, very good, correct answer. Got two answers, correct. The value of x is 115 degrees. 115. So what is the property? Exterior angle. This is the property. The exterior angle property is, I am telling again what is exterior angle property. Exterior angle property is the exterior angle. This is your exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. अगर ये वाले दोनों angles को मैं add कर दूंगा तो मुझे exterior angle की value पता चल जाएगी. Simple सी बात है. These are opposite interior angles. इन दोनों को ऐड अगर मैं कर दूंगा तो मुझे एक्सटीरियर एंगल की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी. So exterior angle is x, and if I add the opposite interior angles 70 degrees and 45 degrees, I will get the value of x. So x is equals to 115 degrees. What is the property used here? Which property we have used? We have used the exterior angle property. Very simple thing. Understood, everyone? Okay. So now let us start with the exercise. Okay. So first question of the exercise. Exterior angle property is also written in your book. It is there on page number 184, right at the bottom. At the bottom of the page number 184, 184. At the bottom, there is exterior angle property. So if anyone has missed writing the property, you can note down from there. Okay. Or if suppose any one of you wants to understand again what is the property, you can watch the recorded video anytime. I will be sharing the video. Always it is a option available if something is left. So you can just in your class group, every teacher, all the teachers are posting their recorded videos. I also post a video. It is a YouTube link. I send the YouTube link in the group. You can open the YouTube link and watch the videos. Okay. So question number 1 of the exercise based on exterior angle property. Exercise 15E. Question number 1. The question says You have to find the exterior angle of that of the question. Triangle is ABC and this is D. Very simple question. The same question which I asked you just now. Very similar. You have to find the measure of angle ACD. This angle is given 75 degrees. This is given 45 degrees. What is the measure of angle ACD? You have to find this. This is an exterior angle. So how will you do it? We know that angle ACD is equals to angle A plus angle B. Angle A and angle B are opposite interior angles. So mention the property also. Which property we are using here? Exterior angle property. This is exterior angle property. So angle ACD is equal to, now put the values, 75 degree. Angle A is 75, angle B is 45. So angle ACD is equal to, the answer is 120 degrees. 120 degrees. This is the answer. Angle ACD, you have to find angle ACD in this question. This is the exterior angle. Again, the exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So simply add these two, you will get the answer. Don't forget to mention the property used. Okay, next question, question number 2. Done, all of you in your copies? Have you all done this? Question 2. I hope you all have done this. Starting with question 2 now. Okay. Question number 2. Question 2 is again a similar figure is there. ABC is the triangle. This is D. This time one of the interior angles is not given. This is X. It is not given. This angle is given 68 degrees. And the exterior angle is given 130 degrees. So you have to find the value of X and Y in this. In this question, exterior angle is given 130 degrees. You have to find the measure of angle X and angle Y. So very simple. I hope you all have understood. The exterior angle ACD is equals to angle A plus angle B, same thing. What is the property used? Exterior angle property we are using again. Exterior angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B, opposite interior angles. This is the exterior angle property. Now put the values. Here we know the value of angle ACD. This is given 130 degrees. In this case, angle ACD is given. Angle A is X, this you have to find out, and angle B is 68. So what is X? You will take 68 to LHS. 130 minus 68 is equals to X. That means 62 degrees is equal to X. This is the value of X. Okay. Now, how will you find the measure of Y? How will you find Y? We all know that y plus 130. These two are linear pair. These two are linear pair. So their sum will be equals to 180 degrees. LP. LP means linear pair. So what is the value of y? Y is equals to 50 degrees. Very simple question. X is equals to 62 and y is equal to 50 degrees. So quickly take a screenshot. If suppose the meeting ends, you can do the question. Take a screenshot first. And now you can continue writing in your copies. I hope you all have understood. Very easy. Sum of interior angles, opposite interior angles is equal to exterior angle. This property again we have used here. Angle ACD is equals to angle A plus angle B. So now put the value of angle ACD, which is 130. Angle A is given X and angle B is given 68. When you solve this, you get X equals to 62. And these two angles, you all have done this before also. These two angles are linear pair, therefore the sum will be equals to 180 and you get y equals to 50 degrees. Similarly, you can do question number 3 on your own. You are going to do question 3 on your own in homework.